Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them. Now click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to continue, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can choose Not Now if you want to. Then close it by selecting OK. Finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and receive next to Send at the bottom of Samsung tablet. Then go back to an Android and tap on all of those categories at the top. In those categories, you can select those type of dots to choose multiple files. You can also just click on the chosen ones. I will go with this photo and this audio file. When you finish, tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Finally, pick the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan the QR code, select the scanning icon above User Guide on Samsung. Then allow camera access by tapping on while using the app or only this time. And point your Samsung's camera at the code. In order to input this key though, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers from an Android. And then tap on Receive. In this pop-up, you need to select the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Now tap on Close this window. And as you can see after that, my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!